Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to delete UEFI firmware boot entries. So without further ado, let's get right into it. These are stored in the firmware BIOS, UEFI, separate from Windows. Open Command Prompt as administrator, and type, list firmware entries. This shows what the UEFI firmware is pointing to, for example, Windows Boot Manager on a specific disk, partition. Identify the entry you want to remove and copy it. Each entry has a GUID, identifier. Delete it. Replace identifier with the identifier of the unwanted UEFI boot menu. This removes the firmware boot option from the UEFI boot menu. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.